Do you want to know how to make a simple yet very sophisticated design such as this? Well, Tope from Balloon Inspirations and Prima is back, and he takes you through exactly how to put this together. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here, and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, Tope is back from Balloon Inspirations and as Prima today. So, Tope, I think everybody's figured it out. We're going to make a quick hot air balloon, aren't we?
Absolutely.
Over to you. Let's do this.
Cool. So, we're going to be using this flower box. Yeah. And
do we sell these?
These are yours.
Are they?
You don't know.
I don't know.
Your stock, do you?
No, that's great.
These are yours. I got it off your.
Okay.
Usually it's quite what you can do, because you've got these two holes here. That will be where you place the first two sticks, and then it will be easy for you to.
So you've
walk
created
out.
those holes?
No, they're yours.
Oh, they were, okay.
Yeah,
they're mine. Okay.
Your holes. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on there just with a little bit of glue, and then.
Oh, so use the holes as a guide as to where
Yes,
to put them, I see.
Yes, that was what I was trying
Very
to
clever.
say all the time. Like that. And then a second one.
Do you use hot glue guns a lot? Is that hot glue gun? Or
Yeah, I do use it. Back in the day when I used to do, I did a lot of bar mitzvahs in the good old days. So I had to create these centerpieces, these themed table centerpieces, so I couldn't be without my hot glue gun.
Okay.
Yeah, it was.
So now you're just guessing.
Sort of halfway, just about halfway between these two, and then just.
So you just dribble in the glue down there.
Yes, it goes all the way straight down, and then you just
squidge that in against that. And it dries quite quickly.
Yeah, they're quite good that way. Okay, while we wait for this to dry, I'm just going to, just in case you haven't seen us make the bow, I'm going to just show it real quick on this, because I don't want us to assume that everyone has seen any of the other designs I've made.
So everybody that's watching has watched every BMTV.
Have they really?
All of them.
That's interesting.
It's the law.
You make a loop, and then you make a wider loop at the bottom, and another wider loop. So you've got a total of 4 loops. Squeeze the center together, and you can cut off and use a thin piece of ribbon to tie really tightly at the center. Paula? Now, you can choose to either curl that or cut it off.
Yep.
Depending on
what are you
how
going to do?
you're
You're going to curl it or cut it off?
I'm going to curl it. Why not?
You like your curling?
I like my curling. I'm a curler.
That looks lovely.
Thank you. So you've
so
got
simple.
your 4-loop ribbon.
Very sophisticated.
I'm going to, you had the sellotape the other time. Where did you put it?
It's here.
Thank you, sir. Be ready to use the sellotape. Okay. And so this is a Prima bubble that I inflated earlier so that I don't waste your time. You're just going to slide it. Do you know what? I want to make a flower at the base of that. That's predominantly to hide the mechanics there.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to do that first.
Are we going to use the sellotape to stick on the balloon and the stick?
And the sticks,
okay.
Yes. So let's go.
Just realised I should probably be using scissors, but...
Yeah.
Who uses scissors when cutting sellotape?
2, you just fold each loop right back into the center. 3, 4, 5, and
I'm going to go 6.
I'm going to go 6. Why not? The 6 just looks better than 5. So I should imagine the difference between 5 and 6 million.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll go for 6.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so it's easier to put the flower onto the neck of the balloon before you put it in
I see.
there.
Makes sense.
So just going to slide that right through. Slide, slide, slide. And then just fold it back onto itself. The reason as well that it's better to put this on is that when you put the balloon on, you will be able to know where the center is. I don't know if that made any sense at all.
No, what do you mean?
Yeah. So when you place the balloon, you can tell if it's tilting that way
I see.
or that
Okay.
way. So, but when it's like that, you can just go slide that right through until you get to a point where you like. Now, what's important to do is just to see that your message, which is the happy birthday, is centered between
2 of the sticks.
these 2 of the sticks, so it's not covering it. So that's just something to watch out for. And once we've secured that's the case, then
you happy with
sellotape,
that?
please. Yes. Sellotape me.
Okay, do you want me to just do it?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, it moved. It moved.
Yeah,
you didn't tell me it was going to move.
Well, I did try to warn you about it.
You didn't try to warn me at all.
Goodness.
I think it's you moving it.
Okay. I'm just going to hold this.
Oh no, look, let's move that over because it's on the birthday.
Okay. How many balloon people does it take to create a basket?
Well, the good ones, just 1.
Ouch! I see what you did there. You know.
You started.
Yeah,
it.
look what you did there.
Exactly. I'm not a balloon person.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I sell balloons, but I don't. Here, I've got a spare.
It's fine.
Okay.
You know. So we've created those, and we're going to apply this to the top of the sticks, basically to cover the connection between our sticks and the balloon.
The sellotape.
So you can help with this.
Can I?
Yeah, just look for the other end where I've tied and just apply a glue dash to that for me, will you please?
Okay, I'll do that. You peel them off and place them. Teamwork
Makes the dream work.
makes the dream work.
It's just a very simple design.
It
So
is.
you can see how effective it is.
It's very
You know,
effective.
And
When I walked in and saw this one,
yeah.
I was just like, wow, that's amazing. And these bits,
Yeah.
these are just clouds,
yes,
I guess.
exactly. So we're going to take this off there, and we're going to place this with a bit of and then we've got the glue dashes.
Yep.
Yeah, so help me out here. Just stick it all the way around for me, and then I'm going to make just a couple more to make sure it's
You're very demanding, Tope, you know that.
I know.
Nobody else is
Makes you work
like,
this hard.
No, they don't.
Yeah,
they don't. Most people are very nice.
So I'm going to take a 5-inch balloon, 1 puff, tie, another one. There are 2 ways to make this actually. I'll show you both techniques. Another puff, like that. And then squeeze the knot to the center of the balloon and twist. So you make a duplet out of 1 single balloon, okay? You do this when you want smaller clouds, smaller balloons, but you know, when you inflate a 5-inch, you won't really get the shine properly on the balloon. So we got what we call a split duplet. It's called a split duplet, and then you just have that there, and then you just have it, you know, as little clouds. Now, I'll show you another technique.
See, I should be asking you questions now, but you've got me working, so I can't do 2 things at once.
Why not?
Because it's difficult.
Okay. So when you tie 2 together like that, okay, so you've got to or a duplet. So you split the first one, okay? And then you split the second one as well while they're there, and then you twist them together. It's just another technique as to how to do it, okay?
There you go. I've done a good job there.
Yeah, you have done a good job, sir. I'm a little bit extra. I'm sure you know that by now. Okay.
Extraordinary.
Oh, hello. I like that. So, get your little bag and squeeze them in there.
That is such a cute, simple, easy design.
And it was so quick to put together.
It was quick,
wasn't it?
yeah. That's fantastic. I'll return the, so you can see the happy birthday. So I need to turn the bear around. It's all right, I'll make it right. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as one person does
it,
we're fine.
There we are. Look at that. Well, Tope, as a guest on BMTV, you get to ask everybody the question of the week. What's your question of the week?
What's your favorite Prima bubble?
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Let's know in the comments below.
And if you want to look at them, just go to balloonmarket.co.uk, type in Prima bubbles, and you'll see them all.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Thank you. Tope, thank you so much. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do hit that bell icon, and then you'll be notified every time we upload a new show. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on TikTok, where that fun stuff happens. Yeah. Be happy and positive from myself and Tope. See you next time. Bye.